नमस्ते, आप देख रहे हैं फूड कनेक्शंस पावर्ड बाय ट्रिप पर चलो। आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं कोपरखैरन, known for a number of IT parks, the very famous Dhirubhai Ambani Knowledge City, a number of schools, colleges, the Gurudwara, the Taki, the old D-Mart and a lot of old residential places around it. और आज के टेस्टिंग सेशन का श्री गणेश करने के लिए मैं आपको लेकर आ गई हूँ श्री गणेश वड़ा पाव सेंटर, दैट्स इन सेक्टर 17 कोपरखैरन। Who's been serving the delicious taste of Bombay, the staple food of every Mumbaiker for over 2 decades now. We're going to track his story right here with me, eating the most delicious vada pav in Navi Mumbai. Let's get there. मेरे सामने है the very appealing, the golden crunchy vada pav that I can't wait to lay my hands on. So I'm going to try this, which looks very colorful with the amazing mix of chutneys that I'm served with. So, here goes my feasting on chutneys. I like variety, and it's great when there's a lot of variety in one simple vada pav. That makes my day. And this certainly makes my day. Wow! There's something very nice about this vada pav. बड़ा नरम है, but at the same time it's got the freshness कि बस अभी कढ़ाई से निकला है, और वो कढ़ाई से निकल के जो गर्मा गर्म टेस्ट है ना, वो स्ट्रेट माँ के हाथ वाला था। The vada pav, the original street vada pav, but you can actually sense the taste of home in this. प्यार से बनाया हुआ। I'm told their signature dish is this very interesting thing which is called the patties. What is special about the bread patties here is firstly the presentation. The amount of color on this, the sheer variety of things on the topping makes me feel like an Indianized version of pizza, and I can't wait to taste this. Here I go. This is very carefully divided into many pieces with I think n number of layers of chutney. वाओ! तो इसके अंदर जो आलू और मसाले का फिलिंग है, that along with the layers of chutney on it, एक तीखी चटनी है, एक मीठी चटनी है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सेव है, उसके ऊपर कांदा है, and then on top of it it's garnished with garlic chutney. Tasting all the signature dishes of this place, I had to try what every youngster on this shop was talking about. Yes, that was the plate full of mixed bhajia. So I have in front of me what looks like palak bhajia with kopre ki chutney. Wow! If there is some way someone could keep me actually healthy with the green vegetables with it, which my mom always keeps tripping about that I don't eat green vegetables, because this is the way to feed me green vegetables. I have taken the liberty of walking inside and right inside the actual magical spot, the kitchen of Mr. Sanjay Sample inside Ganesh Vada Pav Center. तो अंकल, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपके जो वड़ा पाव का टेस्ट है वो सबसे डिफरेंट है और बहुत खास है, उसका क्या मैजिक रेसिपी है? What's the secret?
वड़ा पाव निखारने के लिए जो मसाले जो मैं यूज करता हूँ एकदम लाइट मसाले देते हैं, मतलब ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं।
हाँ, बिल्कुल, वो
स्ट्रॉन्ग ना लगे, जो छोटे बच्चे तक भी खा सके, क्योंकि हमें वड़ा पाव खाना है तो गणेश पाव तीखा नहीं रहता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं रहता है,
तीखा नहीं रहता।
और साथ में जो मैं उसका जो बैटर वगैरह बनाता हूँ उसमें हल्का सा घी, अजवाइन ये सब डालता हूँ ताकि किसी को पेट में तकलीफ ना हो।
संजय सावले जी कहते हैं अपना लेफ्ट हैंड और अपना राइट हैंड उनके बेटे राकेश और अतुल। वेलकम टू फूड कनेक्शंस गाइस। व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर प्लान दैट यू हैव?
अभी पापा ने 20 साल में इतना बढ़ाया
जी,
तो ये फ्यूचर में हम लोग इसको और बढ़ाएंगे
और बढ़ाएंगे। So you want to move into a little bit of franchisee और कई जगह?
हाँ, तो हम लोग खुद अपना फ्रेंचाइजी लेने चाहिए, but the taste which we are maintaining over here, the same taste will be over all the.
So I think what reflects very peculiarly in the family is that they do not want to compromise on taste. That is non-negotiable. membership. टेस्ट यही होना चाहिए, वो टेस्ट आता है संजय साबले जी के हाथ से. Reviewing the place overall, I have some really good things to talk about this. So, for the taste that it has absolutely lingering on my taste buds for a very long time from now that it's going to be, I'd like to rate it 8.5 on 10. One thing very impressive about them is their hygiene. So for the hygiene, again an 8 on 10. And clearly for the value for money, because they've been serving vada pav for like 12 bucks and a filling stomach in that amount of money, a clear 8.5 on 10. Thank you so much Sanjay ji हमारे साथ रहने के लिए. All the very best to your entire team and I hope this keeps going great. And if you want to taste the very tasty vada pav right here in the streets of Navi Mumbai, you know where to come, right here in Sector 17 Ganesh Vada Pav Center at Copenhagen.